Homeowners in Rockford understand how valuable natural light can be, especially during the cooler, cloudier months when every bit of sunshine brightens the mood and makes interiors feel warm and inviting. One of the most effective ways to bring more light into your home, without sacrificing comfort or style, is through the installation of bow windows. Bow windows are more than just an architectural feature. They're a stunning design upgrade that enhances your home's beauty, energy efficiency, and overall ambiance. Let's explore how these elegant window designs can transform your Rockford living spaces by maximizing natural light and improving your home's atmosphere. The unique design of bow windows are crafted from a series of 4 to 6 glass panels that gently curve outward from your home's exterior. This curved structure extends your interior space while capturing light from multiple directions, a key reason they're often chosen to brighten darker rooms. Unlike flat window styles that only allow light from one angle, bow windows act as a natural light magnet, pulling in sunlight from the front and both sides. The result is a room filled with balanced illumination throughout the day, no matter where the sun is positioned. For Rockford homes, which experience seasonal shifts and varying daylight hours, this ability to capture sunlight from every direction makes bow windows a year-round enhancement. Expanding your interior space and outdoor views, bow windows don't just make a room brighter, they make it feel bigger and more open. The outward curve adds depth and dimension, visually expanding your living area while creating a cozy nook that's perfect for reading, relaxing, or displaying plants. The panoramic design of bow windows also offers uninterrupted outdoor views, making them ideal for Rockford homes surrounded by greenery, gardens, or tree-lined streets. The connection between indoor and outdoor spaces enhances your home's atmosphere, bringing in a sense of openness and tranquility. Even in winter, when you'd rather stay warm indoors, bow windows let you enjoy the natural beauty of Rockford's seasonal landscape without the chill. Maximizing natural light for better mood and energy efficiency. Natural light has a powerful impact on both comfort and well-being. Homes filled with sunlight feel more inviting, uplifting, and spacious, and bow windows are designed to deliver just that. By drawing light from multiple angles, bow windows help reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy use and utility costs. They can also help warm your home naturally in cooler months, reducing your dependence on heating. In addition to energy savings, the extra daylight promotes better mood and productivity, creating a positive living environment for you and your family. For Rockford homeowners who value both comfort and efficiency, bow windows offer the perfect blend of beauty, brightness, and practicality. Customization to match Rockford's architectural styles. One of the best features of bow windows is their design versatility. Whether your Rockford home is traditional, colonial, or modern, bow windows can be customized to complement your architecture seamlessly. You can choose from different frame materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, and select finishes that match your home's existing color palette. Interior features like built-in seating or decorative trim can turn your bow window into a true focal point that enhances both form and function. Professional installers can also recommend the ideal window placement to optimize sunlight while maintaining privacy and comfort. Professional installation for long-lasting results. Installing bow windows is a precise process that requires expert craftsmanship. Proper installation ensures airtight sealing, structural support, and flawless alignment, all crucial for maximizing energy efficiency and durability. By partnering with experienced local window professionals in Rockford, homeowners can ensure their new bow windows perform perfectly in all seasons. Quality installation also prevents air leaks, condensation, and heat transfer, keeping your home bright and comfortable year-round. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Bow windows offer a timeless way to enhance natural light, improve aesthetics, and increase home value. Their curved design floods your rooms with sunlight from multiple directions while creating elegant visual appeal both inside and out. Whether you're updating your living room, kitchen, or a cozy reading corner, bow windows transform ordinary spaces into radiant, welcoming environments. With professional installation and thoughtful design, you can enjoy a home that feels brighter, more spacious, and full of life, every day of the year.